So we are now ready to create our coupon inside of Chatrace. So the way to do this is I already pre-created this flow, but I will walk you through it. Is the starting step will be ask if they want to get started, yes or no. So they can enter this by scanning a certain code, or you can enter this by sending them a ref URL so they can opt in to get themselves a coupon. So soon as they say, yes, let's do it, we're going to check if we already have the subscriber's email. If not, we're going to ask for that email. So as you can see, it's what is the best email to register the coupon. If it is the one below, just press it. If you prefer a different one, just type it in now. So this is just a get user data block. And if we click to edit, you will see that we have the reply type email. It's going to be saved in the email system field. And I always like to do a specific error message. So I want to let them know in which format we need the email in, right? So if they type in something different, then this is the retry message. And then we're going to press save. Soon as they have given their email, we're going to set the email opt-in action, as you can see here. And that email opt-in action is pretty simple in setup. So if we take a look, this is the email opt-in action, and then I have a confirmation message. So you can find this email opt-in message by going to add content, actions, then you can go to the email section, and then you will find the set email opt-in. So then the next step is we're going to check if we have the subscriber's phone number. If not, we're going to ask for it and also explain why. Although in the campaign we set it to mandatory field for email only, it is always best to ask for both the phone and email because it allows you to send messages more easily, like a push notification. So soon as they, or an SMS in that case. So soon as they are being asked for email and phone number, you will see that for email, I'm going to state what is the best email to register the coupon on. And for phone number, what is the best phone number to send updates about your coupon on, right? So same as with email, this is a get user input field. And from here, you can see if we click to edit, it's a reply type of phone. We're going to save it to the phone system field, and the same with the email. I want to set in my retry message. So I want to specify the format I want the phone number in. I'm going to press save. And soon as they validate that, we're going to set the SMS opt-in. And the SMS opt-in is the same as with the email. So you can find that under add content and then the SMS section and then the SMS opt-in. Then the magic happens here, right? So we are going to edit this block. We got everything we need. We will create the coupon for you. So I will remove this Walletly action and then going to add that by going to add content, actions. We're going to go to the Walletly section. Then we're going to press the Walletly action again. So we'll get the Walletly pop-up, and then the operation will be to add a campaign. Then the campaign will be the newest one we created, and that's the Walletly coupon live demo. And from here, we need to have some custom fields saved over from Walletly over to Chatrace. So the way to do that is you can pre-create these custom fields. I already did. So for me, that will be, if I searched for code, coupon underscore code. And for coupon ID, I have the coupon. And for URL, you guessed it, it will be the coupon underscore URL. And we're going to save this by pressing the button. So let's drag this a little bit more upwards. There we go. And then from here, we will state that I have your coupon right here. Just press this button below. So this button will, once pressed, it's a website type button. So let's do that again. It's going to open the website. and then we're going to use the custom field where we saved the coupon URL to. So that will be coupon_URL. And what this does is it will go to the website that is stored inside this custom field. And as you can see, now we have successfully created our own coupon creation flow right inside of Chatrace.